My name is Chris with Headlight Revolution, and to my left I've got our 2017 Ford Super Duty in the shop today. Now, this particular truck has got the blind spot radar package, and today I'm here to talk to you about the best reverse lights available for trucks equipped with that package. There are very few LED bulbs on the market today that'll even fit in these taillight housings if you've got the blind spot radar, and there are even fewer that'll perform well. Thankfully at Headlight Revolution we've discovered the best bulbs, and I'm going to show you how to install them and what they look like compared to the stock bulbs. So let's get started. There's only two tools you need to get this taillight out. You need an 8mm socket. You don't even need an impact. You could use a ratchet. And you're going to need a 7 to remove the blind spot piece from the back of the taillight. So pull these bolts out. What you're going to find is the taillight's going to just pull toward you, like so. Go ahead and unclip your factory wiring. You can just set the taillight down on your truck bed here. Now, this is the blind spot radar package right here, this big metal guy. If you don't have this package, you're not going to see this, and we do have a video for that particular truck as well. So if you get this far and you realize, hey, I don't have the blind spot radar, no problem, we got you taken care of in a different video. Another way to tell is with this badge here. It says blind spot radar on the side, so there shouldn't really be any surprises when you get to this point. Take your 7mm socket, and there are 4 bolts to remove here. Set those off to the side, and you can wiggle this out. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. This is what you're going to be left with. Now, I've done this a couple times off camera, and it's about 50-50. This gasket sometimes comes off and stays in the taillight. If that happens, just take it off and put it back on this piece. Don't try to leave it on the taillight, it won't work. We can go ahead and remove our original reverse light here. Now these are the GTR Lighting Ultra Series bulb. They're a really unique design you don't see in other bulbs. It's very directional. You've got light firing from the left and right of the bulb as you're looking at it here. And it really performs well in this particular housing. You're going to find that this bulb plugs in just like the stock one came out. It clicks in real well. You don't have to worry about it falling out like some of the cheaper bulbs in the market. Grab your tail light here. Twist the bulb in clockwise like so. This has alignment pins here on the top and bottom, so you really can't mess the orientation up. Just a heads up. Bring it back to the truck and just plug it in just like it came out. Good? Yep. Cool. So you can see they work great. Now, the biggest reason we went with the Ultra Series bulbs is A, they actually fit. With that metal bracket back there for that blind spot radar, you really don't have a whole lot of depth to get a bigger bulb in there, and a lot of the bulbs on the market are bigger. So, Ultra Series bulbs, great choice for this particular truck. Now let's see how bright they are against the wall. As you can see, especially pointed against the garage door here, tremendous improvement over stock. These are significantly brighter. You get that nice crisp white color. If you're backing your truck down a trail or your driveway at night, or hey, you're hooking up to a trailer, let's face it, these are work trucks, this is the perfect option for you. Now, if you need anything else for this particular truck, like LED headlights, fog lights, interior lights, cargo lights, whatever you can think of, we've got it on our website, www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.